Right, what I did yesterday, I actually prepared these. You get a long length of this like rubber stuff, and yeah, and what you do, you basically push it on and use the clips, the pipe clips. So I've done that. That's the pump. I've also done this, the filter. The filter goes no more than a metre away from the outlet on the diesel tank. I've got another two pieces here. One is for obviously the tank outlet, diesel tank, and one is for the diesel inlet of the heater itself. These obviously like that, and then you've got your fuel pipe, and that, well, obviously goes through there, but you also put a Jubilee clip on this as well. Right, so just thought I'd show you something I prepared earlier. I'm going to be putting my diesel tank in my gas locker. I'm actually a bit disappointed because the nozzle for the tank is in the middle. I really needed it at the edge. Right, that is where it's going. I think we're going to have to take this out. See what I mean? I really wanted this. Yeah. I wanted that there. Right, anyway, apparently you've got to drill an hole somewhere. As far as I know, it's down here. Right, in this kit you've got, where are we? 3 of these with a washer. Yeah. And obviously they are for the tank. Right, obviously they go through there and holds it on. You've also got this. Now that actually goes inside the tank. It has one of these rubbers there, which you put on. That goes inside the tank, and then once it's through, then you have this nut on the outside, which you put all the rubber in there, and obviously that tightens up. to get this inside, obviously through this hole here, I've seen people use a wire and just slide it down the wire. Let's see. Right, as I say, I don't know if this is going to work or not. I don't know if you saw that. What I did, we came from the bottom first. Here. Right, case now. Get the hurdy-gurdy. And basically, drop it through. It worked. There we are. Case now, not to let it go. Don't want it going back in. Right, it's case now, just, well, doing your best to tighten it up. And then obviously, one of these that I showed you, these plastic pipes, they go, that goes on the end. And then a Jubilee clip. Right, and there we have it. Oh, bloody wasps. Right, what I'm going to do now, I am going to put, I'll put it in and mark where the hole's going to be, because there's metal on the inside of the, there's metal on the inside, so it's going to be a case of, you know, I still don't know how I'm going to do this, you know, regarding filling it up. Right, like I say, I'm gonna have the pump inside the gas locker, so I might as well just measure it out. You know, the length I need. Right. This here then goes inside there. And then a Jubilee clip again. Right, what I'm going to have to do is go down that dark drop vent. There, where it really wants to go, there's well, it's where chassis is. Oh, sick. Anyway, yeah, I think it is anyway. Right, I've offered it in. I've put the pipe going down there. I've put the do in, I've marked it. Oh, you can see them or not. One there, one there, one there. Guess now I'll just drill and then fix it up. Right, what I've had to do is put some battens. When I tried to screw this to there, it weren't gripping at all, so I've put them up. Been waiting for that to go off. Right, and as you know, that's on there. There's the filter going through the dropout. And then obviously it's not to show you what goes on. Just fed it through a few holes until it come out here. Oh, right, I don't know. Oh, right, here look. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing, but I can't see any reason why I'm not. Where are we? There. Right, the fuel is coming through there from over there, look. Right. Now I sent it back up through floor. I'm actually going to have the pump inside and then bring it back, because it's only there. You know what I mean? Yeah, so I can't see any reason why not. Right, so I'll show you where I'm at now. Yeah, it's coming up there into pump, and I'm going to send it back down. Now, I've also been told about clicking from the pump, and for the time being I'm not going to do it, but apparently if you just suspend it with cable ties, it stops the vibration clicking. Whether I'm going to be able to hear it, which is the only thing I'm worried about, to be honest, because this big vent I'm going to have there, I'm going to hear fucking everything, aren't I? Right, we'll see anyway, we'll see what happens. Right, the flow of the pump is there, so it wants to be flowing up that way like that. Yeah, so if I cut that about there, right, I'm going to put this on at temporary. Right, no, it's a bit crude, but that's how I've done the exhaust. I kind of end if I have to move it, but the only way I could do anything. Oh, right, that's my fuel line. It's obviously the one coming from the tank. Oh, I'm laying on tools. Yeah, that's the tank one. Then it goes up through floor to the pump, then comes back, and And then obviously eventually ends up in there. Right, like I say, the exhaust, bit crude. Well, I don't think it. See, I'm not sure if these have to be flat, but looking inside, they're crap. Honestly, they're an absolute waste of time. That white there on the back, it's that heat resistant stuff. Well, fire retardant. Right, only thing I've got to do now is the electrics inside. Oh, I've got to get some red diesel.